Hi family, this is Florishhair Studio. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about how to boost your hair growth. So if you are interested, just follow me on the tips that I provide. So in today's video, I am going to make a simple DIY hair mask for a relaxed hair. So I need one medium-sized egg, and I'm using fenugreek moringa oil and then honey, and of course you would need a bowl to mix all your ingredients in it. So I'll go straight and then measure my honey. I measure 1 tablespoon of honey into my bowl. Honey here serves as a moisturizer, and it also softens the hair, and then it makes it very easy to manage. Again, I measure 1 tablespoon of my fenugreek and moringa oil. I will state the link in my description box on how I prepare my fenugreek and moringa oil. Right now, I will just crack my egg into my bowl, and then I'm going to mix everything together until it is incorporated. Sorry, I nearly skipped this ingredient. I'm going to use lemon juice in this DIY hair treatment mask. So I'll just add few drops of lemon juice to my mixture. Lemon serves as an antioxidant, and it also has an antibacterial effect, and it cleans your scalp, and it also solves a lot of scalp issues. So I'll just mix everything together once again. So this is the hair that I am dealing with today. It's a relaxed hair. So we started on a washed hair. So the hair is very clean. We wash this hair with Florishhair shampoo, a DIY shampoo. So I will just part the hair into smaller sections and then apply the treatment mask to the hair. So you can see how the hair is already shining, and it's looking healthy. And we are going to go ahead and then cover the hair up in a plastic bag, and I will use a blow dryer. I'm going to set the blow dryer on a very high heat, and then I will blow dry the hair in a plastic bag, and we'll cover this hair up so she rests for about 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, we went straight ahead and then washed the mask off the hair, and then we have blow dried this hair so it's looking dry and straight. This here is my Flourish hair oil. This is herbal moringa oil. It has a whole lot inside. It has about 4 essential oils: rose oil, grapeseed oil, lavender oil, tea tree oil inside. Okay, so it is very healthy. It will relax your scalp. It is very good for your scalp, and it will solve all your scalp issues. So I just applied a little amount of Florishhair moringa oil to this hair. So you can see the hair is looking shiny and fuller Okay, it is looking heavy as well. We have been treating this hair every 2 weeks. We have treatment for the hair every 2 weeks. Even though it is relaxed, we make sure we have treatment for the hair. So you can use this treatment mask for natural hair as well, and you are good to go. What I have in my hands right here is my Flourish Hair Shea Butter Mix. So I have a lot inside here as well. I have argan oil, jojoba oil. I have castor oil inside, shea butter, olive oil, and coconut oil. So everything mixed together. I just apply a little amount of it to the tips of the hair and then to the edges, and we are done. So far so good. Everything is working for us. Our DIY products are just working miracles on my clients' hair, my hair, and that of my entire family. Learn more tips for your hair. So please, if you are new to my channel, do all to subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for all my subscribers. Thank you so much. God bless you. And thank you to my new subscribers as well. I am so grateful for all the help. So this was the final look. The hair is looking shiny. Thank you. That's my natural hair tips. Bye bye.